Welcome friends, this is another short video, and in this video I'm going to make a uh, brush, and with the help of this brush I'm going to uh, illustrate a bull logo type illustrations. So a running bull. Okay, so how we can draw a running bull with brush. This is our main topic in this class. So here there's a body portions. Randomly I'm using the gestures of this bull. Okay, in my previous class I have already discussed about the gestures drawing. Okay, please subscribe this channel and please watch the previous videos, which will very helpful for you. Okay, so here you can see this is a rough illustration, a rough drawing. With this help of this rough drawing, what I'm going to do, just express the expressionalism technique. Okay, here I'm going to uh, give strokes like this. The muscles of the bull, big mass muscles of bull. And you can see this is a big muscles and running mood, the angry mood of bull. Okay, and this is, you can uh, join the brush lines, and you can do this. Here I'm doing it with the help of brush and the tail portions. Okay, and always keep in your mind that shadow and the background textures and the body textures. Here I'm teach you how you can put the background textures which is suitable for this illustration. Here this is I think the suitable, and what I'm going to do, just changing the opacity and uh, thicker size. Okay, the stroke size, I'm going to increase the stroke size. Here you can see that's going to change the stroke size and opacity, just down the opacity. Okay, and send it all of this things, I'm going to send it back. Okay, and here the this thing. Okay, I need to draw. This is a video. In this video I'm just increase the interest and increase how you can draw gestures drawing. So just gestures drawing is a very essential part. Practice like this lots of time. Just watch the figure, watch anything, and just try to draw with rough hand, with speed hand. Okay, speed hand, that means you can speedily draw. Just draw as like not aesthetics point of view. Just draw, try to draw. Okay, this is your initial task. So if you have any comment of this topic or gestures drawing, you can put me comment on the comment box uh, on YouTube video, my YouTube videos. Okay, so here I'm just doing the same things, uh, thicker the stroke size. Okay, and send it back, the same opacity, send it back. Okay, and nothing, do with two colors, your designs will be looking great. Okay, do with two or three colors when you are making logos, it will better. Okay, So it's a just running mode, and here it's say thicker stroke. I'm send it to back, just send it to back. Okay, everything send it to back. Now what I'm going to do, just here another stroke, and you can see it's look alive. Okay, so simple black and white drawing, it's really help you to imagine. Okay, so gestures drawing, first of all practice gestures drawing, and practice C carve. S carve is very essential. I'm lots of times saying this about this. Okay, here you can, I'm using curvature tool. Don't use curvature tool because it's a it's making lots of anchoring points. So I'm used to and accustomed with this tool. So okay, here is the shadow. Okay, don't make the biggest shadow here. It's here another shadow. So you can see that's almost ready, and here I'm make it bigger, and here just a little bit of on it, and this is this one. Okay, okay, you can see these things as like this, and you can put some quotations uh, around this design and put it into the your t-shirts, anything. Okay, so I will give the download link of this illustrations, so you can easily download this illustration and uh, create your own project. Okay, just now select everything here. I think I'm not happy with these things, and join this one, and it's definitely creating the lights and shadow effect. Okay, uh, it's definitely creating the light and shadow effect. Okay, and just I'm using here brush. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Welcome, please subscribe. Thank you.